You don't need 10 properties. You need one good one. I know that sounds crazy in a world where everyone's talking about massive portfolios, but hear me out. I'm about to show you why chasing quantity over quality is the biggest mistake first-time investors make, and how focusing on just one strategic property can completely transform your financial future. One deal, one income stream can change everything. That's how it starts. Look, I get it. You've probably seen those flashy Instagram posts about people owning dozens of rental properties, and you think that's what success looks like. But here's what they don't tell you. Most successful real estate investors started with just one really good deal. One property that cash flows well, appreciates consistently, and teaches them everything they need to know about the business. When you focus on finding that one perfect property, instead of rushing to buy multiple mediocre ones, you learn the fundamentals. You understand your market, you build relationships with contractors and property managers, and you actually make money instead of just looking busy. That first property becomes your foundation, your proof of concept, and your stepping stone to everything else. So, stop overwhelming yourself with dreams of a massive portfolio. Start with one, make it count, master it, and then, when you're ready, you can scale from a position of knowledge and confidence. If this changed your perspective on real estate investing, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what's holding you back from finding your one good property. I read every single comment and I'm here to help you succeed.